Hi friends, this is Sivaraman. Welcome back to Pictures and Paintings. Actually speaking, I never knew a species like this even existed before painting this. I was just scouting through Roger Williams' Flickr page, and this one looked very attractive. Both the birds as well as the moment which is captured. One of the birds getting ready to drink water, and the other already sipping it. And these birds are dimorphic, which means while seeing them, you can tell which one is a male bird and which is a female bird. The female bird, which is drinking water, is muted in terms of color, and the male bird is bright and colorful. I have done my best to see how well the vibrant nature can be captured, and I consciously ensured I did not add too much of details in the background. I felt it could be distracting as well as time consuming, so compromised on that. In this video, you are going to watch me paint these two beautiful, colorful Mulga parrots. while I love painting and love challenges, one thing I really hate in painting is painting reflections. But unfortunately, I have ended up so far doing quite a few paintings with reflections in it. And when I took this one, I was very clear. I'm not going to add too much of details. So I kept the reflections as light as I can, just indicating the color of the bird and without giving too much of details in it. What do you think? Is it working? Please share your thoughts and comments in the column below. And don't forget to stay subscribed. That ways you can keep watching every time I post a painting. Thank you for watching this till the end. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.